Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind this is my personal experience using the service. Today we're diving into Rocket Lawyer, a platform designed to make legal services more accessible. Located at www.rocketlawyer.com. This website offers a range of resources and tools to help individuals and small businesses navigate legal matters. Whether you're looking for legal documents, advice from an attorney, or incorporation services, Rocket Lawyer aims to simplify the often complex and intimidating legal landscape. They offer a variety of document templates, covering everything from wills and trusts to non-disclosure agreements and lease agreements. This can be particularly helpful for those who need a quick and affordable way to create legally sound documents. Beyond templates, Rocket Lawyer provides access to legal advice from qualified attorneys. You can connect with an attorney through their platform to ask questions, get guidance, or even have them review your documents. One of the standout features of Rocket Lawyer is their subscription service. For a monthly fee, members gain access to a suite of benefits, including discounted legal services, document creation tools, and ongoing legal advice. This subscription model can be a cost-effective solution for individuals and businesses who anticipate needing ongoing legal support. While Rocket Lawyer offers a wide range of services, it's important to remember that they aren't a replacement for personalized legal counsel. For complex or high-stakes legal matters, consulting directly with an attorney specializing in your specific needs is always recommended. Rocket Lawyer can be a valuable resource for handling common legal tasks and accessing general legal advice, but it's essential to understand its limitations. They provide helpful tools and resources, making legal processes more approachable, but for intricate cases, dedicated legal representation remains crucial. For more in-depth legal assistance, seeking personalized counsel from a specialist is advised. This platform simplifies access to legal information and support, but it's essential to recognize when a dedicated attorney is necessary.